Okay, what we went over last lesson is probably going to be a little bit confusing, but try not to get overwhelmed because we're going to go over it in different ways and give you different exercises so that it's less overwhelming and so that we can move forward. What we worked on was the A minor pentatonic scale, which sounds like this. And the A minor pentatonic scale is a 5-note scale, which is used in just about every type of music, and can be used in every type of music. So it's just a very important scale to know. Every guitarist is going to know it. I'm also going to teach you ways to break out of that scale in ways that most guitarists don't know. So we'll get into it as we go on. But for right now, we have a sequencing exercise on the scale. So what we're going to go over is how to play the scale and then how to sequence it. So first, to play the scale, you're going to need to play 2 notes per string. So we are only going to use each string two times. So we start with the lowest string, the low E string. That is going to be referred to as the 6th string, and we play on the 5th fret with our index finger and the 8th fret with our pinky finger. On the next string, we play the 5th fret with our index finger and the 7th fret with our ring finger. On the next string, we play the 5th fret with our index finger and the 7th fret with our ring finger. On the next next string, we play the 5th fret with our index and the 7th fret with our ring finger. On the next string, the B string, we're going to play the 5th fret with our index finger and the 8th fret with our pinky finger. On the next string, the high E string, we're going to play the 5th fret with our index finger and the 8th fret with our pinky finger. All together again sounds like this. I want you to be able to picture this shape. So I'm going to send you a link or an image, and you can save it on your phone or whatever to refer to, and it'll just be like a diagram of how you play it, or how it looks on the fretboard. So our sequencing exercise is going to be 3 notes at a time. It's going to be done in triplets. We're going to go trip, lit. Well, here, let me do it fast for you. Trip-a-lit, 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 trip-a-lit. And so what I'm doing is I'm starting with the lowest note on the scale, like we started with when we were learning the scale, which is going to be A, and then I'm going to play the next two notes of the scale just like I was ascending it. Stop it. Stop. Just like while I was ascending it. So I'm going to go, but then after doing the first three notes, I'm going to go back one note, I'm going to descend one note, and go back up. You can honestly do this sort of thing with as many notes as you want, like I'm choosing to do 3. But if I say wanted to do 4, right, it ends up with a different flavor, so to speak. And so these two exercises will help you to memorize the scale, or this exercise and the scale itself will help you to memorize it. I'll send you a diagram of it, and I will also make a video explaining the theory behind this, and we can get working on that.